What's up guys, my name is Rezi and today I'm going to show you how to remove the seats on a Skoda Superb Mk1. So what we're doing, first of all, removing the headrests from the top. Secondly, you remove the bottom seat like normal Golf or Passat seat. Just pull it up so it's gonna unclip. Come right here for a sec. So it's gonna unclip from both sides. So you see it's got these, mine is quite dirty, got these two clips, left and right, then now hooks, the bottom being cut out. The bottom bit was easy. I struggled a little bit for that with the top one. First of all, is you need to unhook it from the sides. You see it's got a hook here on the other side, then it's got a screw underneath there. It's got a screw there. You need to undo that screw, then you need to undo the seat belt so you can take your off here. And the bit that I really struggled was didn't know how it comes out. You didn't want it, so you put the seat belts on the side from the outside, and then what I did, I'll just lift it up from bottom. You lift it up from the bottom and then you undo it from the top and then it comes out. Don't be scared to pull it out, just be careful so you don't rip your seat off, because it needs to come off these hooks. So yeah, you just flip it up and it comes off. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's for the seats that they don't fall down, so not really sure the procedure for the ones that fall down, but I'm gonna find out soon. After you finish with that, the armrest has got two screws there. Undo them, you drill off the rivets, then it comes off. Thank you for watching and see you soon.